Hi, I'm Kyle with Nanolumens. We are a direct view LED company based out of Atlanta. This is our 20th year in business, so we're celebrating that at Infocomm this year. We're showing some really exciting new things this year. The first thing I'll show you is the Nixel series. The Nixel series first launched in 2010. It's a curved display. It can be flat, of course, but it can do convex and concave curves to any shape and size that you really want. It's a modular display. We build the frame to suit. It's really fun and exciting for architectural applications or things that you want to do that are a little bit different. Moving on, we've got our award-winning NanoPanel 55. The NanoPanel 55 is a 55-inch LED display that's a direct replacement for LCD. So you see a lot of 55-inch LCD displays on the market, and people have used that for digital signage and all those things. This one is tiled, so there's actually 4 displays here. It's full HD resolution, but you put 4 together, that's going to be 4K. It's won
It's easy to
several
match
awards.
and to make it disappear the overlays.
Yeah, so it's a little different than a traditional modular direct view LED, but you can put them together. You just would do it similar to how you would build an LCD video wall of yesteryear.
What is this about?
This is an integration that we're doing with Barco control rooms. We're in the control room environment because we make TAA-Compliant
You're right next to
solutions.
Barco. Are you partners?
We're right next to Barco, and we're partnering for the event for sure. Yeah.
Right.
Moving on, this is our Engage Pro. The Engage Pro series is our top of the line display, direct view LED. This is a 4K that we're showing. The pixel pitches start at 0.7 millimeters and go up from there.
This is 1.25. This one, or
This one is 0.9 millimeters. Yeah.
all right. And you got a 4K and a pretty big.
Yeah, it's 4K. It's running our Aurora video processor. It's a fully TAA-compliant solution, so everything approved for government or wherever you need it to go.
What is this Aurora?
Aurora is our video processor. So it's all homegrown, so you can make a solution from one source, which is nice. We're focused not just the display, but the brain.
You drive the full LED wall.
Yes, exactly.
Right.
This Captivate here is an all-in-one. So it comes with audio, a remote. It's a much more plug-and-play kind of experience, similar to
4K.
a display. It's 4K, yeah. And then we have the Noro Portal. The Noro Portal is something we've teamed up with Noro to give a room-to-room experience for virtual conferencing.
There's a real person there interacting with people from San Francisco.
Yeah, so she's there, and what you can imagine is 2 conference rooms in a campus environment, and they're talking to each other.
That's so cool.
And then if you move to the front of our booth,
Could you help them to do it in 4K also?
I think we can go higher resolution there as well, probably.
And what is all these? What you winner? What do you
Yeah,
win?
so these are some of the awards from the NanoPanel that I talked about, and then also the Noro Portal. We've won awards from Sound and Video Contractor, Rave, lots of folks. And
What
then
do
we
we see
have
here?
some new things coming. So they'll be out in the next year-ish or so. One's called the Echelon series. It's going to be our top notch. It's got some new LED architecture technology.
Which one?
The one there on the left called Echelon. It's got better alpha axis and it's got our best contrast ratio. So your blacks are going to look really, really dark. The NanoPanel is the award-winning 55-inch display we talked about a bit before. Engage Pro is the next generation of our premium line. And then we've teamed with AUO Display Plus to do some new technology advancements. One of them is this transparent display.
Transparent.
So
It's micro LED.
it is a micro LED transparent. It's got 60%, as you can see your hand behind it really clearly. It's a lot of fun for retail applications or museums. And so we're teaming with AUO to show that this time, as well as some e-paper solutions that don't require any power. And they,
Color.
Yeah, they are full color. We're just showing one color this time. That's kind of our booth at Infocomm this year.
So the business of these kind of displays, would you say it's growing for you?
Yeah, absolutely. We've been in business for 20 years, but it is growing, in various markets.
It's never been so action-packed.
There are a lot of people interested in this kind of technology. Who doesn't want a really big picture, bright screen?
And eventually it's going to come in people's homes, right? Some of these 4K displays you showed me, I want to have it at home.
I think we'd all like to have it at home. You're right. But yes, there is a residential component for a lot of people, especially really high end.
Imagine every pixel, every sound. Enabled through HDMI technology. From the highest resolutions, the fastest refresh rates, to immersive multi-channel audio, HDMI technology powers a worldwide ecosystem of devices for movies, for gaming, for creators. Experience clarity, performance, connection. HDMI technology. Connect the future today.